apple. Can you hold it, Hiroki? It's too big. Ooh. Oh no. What a big apple.
Hiroki is big eyes.
Touch your eyes. And how about this one? Oh no. Do you think you can eat that all? Oh, let me see. Is that a big bite? Oh no, it's just a small bite. Again. Yeah. Big mouth, big mouth. Ah, like Chip and Dale. It's yummy. Delicious. Yummy. What will we say?
Ah.
Bite. Ooh, a big apple. Mommy can bite it. Wait a minute, okay? Mommy bite is too big. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Yummy.
Wait. Ah.
You don't need to put your head up. It's too small. You want mommy to bite again? Wait. Apron. No, not here. Wait.
Wait.
No, it's too small. Yeah, what happened? No, Hiroki, that's bad. You should eat. Oh no, what happened to the apple? What did you